Alright, this is a video for exercise number 37. In this video, we are going to be creating a toolpath using the floor and wall operation. Alright, so the contents: create operation and machine the top face of the part. Select and extend the walls. I think this is an error by saying the top face of the part, because this is the top face of the part and it doesn't look like we're gonna be machining that. It looks like we're gonna be machining this, and that is not technically, this is not the top face of the part. All right, we're just gonna follow along. Objective: create operation and machine the top face of the part. Again, I think that's an error. Open the part is already open. On the resource bar, click the operation navigator. It's already selected, and in the operation navigator, right click in the background, which is here, and choose program order view. It's already selected. In the operation navigator, right click the program and say insert operation. In the create operation dialog box, set the following operation parameters. Type group list equals mill planar. Operation subtype group floor and wall, which is already selected from the previous exercise. Location group, program equals program, tool equals mill, geometry equals workpiece, method equals mill finish, name group, name equals face stop. Click OK. In the main group, click specify cut area floor, which is this one here, and select the face. Select the top face of the part. Again, this is not the top face, but we're gonna assume, or we're just gonna pretend this is a top face, because that's what the exercise is calling for. Click OK. We're gonna click OK here. In the main group, from the cut pattern list, select follow part. Okay, so here we're gonna say follow part. That's good. In the preview group, select the preview checkbox to display the blank geometry, cut levels, and cut regions for the operation. So here we're gonna select this one, and then we see the cut region, we see the cut level, which is here identified with this triangle, and then we see the transparency of the blank. All right. Then clear the preview checkbox. All right. In the actions group, click generate. We generate the toolpath. All right. Click OK to save the operation. Okie doke. We save the operation. We go to the next step. The next step, select and extend the walls. Objective is, again, select and extend the walls. In the operation navigator, double click the face tab to edit the operation. Here we double click. In the preview group, make sure the preview checkbox is selected here. All right. In the main group, click specify wall geometry, which is here. Select the 6 walls as shown. Okay, according to this thing, we have to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click OK to accept the wall geometry there. In the CAD regions node, here, CAD regions group, select extend wall checkbox. Extend walls checkbox here, right? Go to the next page. In the actions group, click generate. Okay, we generate. Interesting. Notice how the toolpath is contained within the extensions of the selected walls. Yeah. In the main group, click specify wall geometry. In the main group, click specify wall geometry. While holding down the shift key, deselect 3 faces, leaving the following 3. All right, so we're gonna deselect faces. We're gonna deselect holding the shift key. We're gonna deselect this one, we're gonna deselect this one, and we're gonna deselect this one, and we're just gonna leave these 3 faces active. All right, and then we're gonna say okay, right, and we see that the CAD region has changed. We see it here. The CAD level is the same, but the CAD region has changed. We can see it. All right, and then next, in the actions group, click generate. We generate. The toolpath is now constrained by the new wall set. Okay, we can see that the toolpath now is following the floor constrained with the new sets, with the new wall set, I should say. Click OK to save the operation. Close the part without saving, and that's the end of the exercise.